We should not just look at national policies or international regulations.
And there is a risk that if you look at countries, then you end up looking at capital cities in effect. You assume that what matters to them is what matters to the interests of the big cities.
Until now, the biggest attention is on the cities. And the biggest part of the country, the Netherlands, is the countryside.
If you focus on cities, you tend to get drawn to the core urban areas. You end up neglecting the uninteresting places, the suburbs, the countryside.
So if we want to understand what is going on and how these inequalities come about, I think a regional perspective is essential.
And
it's also
regional studies can analyze, for example, the integration between different issues like food, energy, water, and the consequences for land use.
For me, energy is not just a matter of trying to save the world by preventing climate change. It also relates to empowering society in a different...
And all too often, there's an assumption made that technology will solve these problems. And it ignores the fact that people that don't have equal access to that technology.
So the challenge of regional studies is to interact with society and to align different stakeholders around new agendas and storylines for the future.
Okay. It can accelerate the steps towards a sustainable society.
But sustainability is not just about environmental challenges, but also about social and cultural aspects like the inequalities within society and disparities in income.
Can help us to develop theoretical conceptions of why such inequalities and differences happen, can help us to think of solutions and policies that might address some of these political, economic, social, cultural issues at stake.
So not just technology and economy, really society, people and space. That's local, that's regional.
so this is also activism mixed with academia, and I think that's what social sciences and regional studies should be about.